I'm basically making this video for myself too because I'm always running out of ideas. Hi guys, welcome back. But if you're new here, my name is Gonzalez, and for today's video, I'm going to be sharing 60 simple ideas you can use the next time you take photos. They can be the highlight of your shoot, or you can use them as jumping points or as elements in your photos. These are basic things you can try, especially if you don't know what to shoot or if you're building your portfolio. You can use one idea or combine them for a subject or a whole photo shoot, depending on what you want and what resources you have. But if you want to do it for the sake of art, I highly suggest you try your best not to entirely copy the examples you see, and do your best to put your own twist on it. Put your own twist in it. I'm going to show you the list pretty fast, so just pause if you want to take a longer look at the examples. Alright, so here are 60 ideas for your next photo shoot. Alright, so that's it. So I hope you guys got an idea from this video. Thank you so much for watching, and if you want to see more content from me, you can subscribe and click the notification bell. You can also follow me on Instagram if you want to see more about my life, and if you like this video, you can like it, but if you don't, share it and maybe it'll help someone else. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye!